This review is of Pride Gourmet Baker's Sakatumi original recipe, which is a cinnamon cake. And obviously this is going to be vegetarian because it's got eggs and milk in it. Hooray. Alright, there are one slice out of 8 has got 11 grams of fat, of which 2 are saturated, no trans fat, 40 milligrams of cholesterol, 170 milligrams of sodium, 27 grams of carbs, of which none are dietary fiber, 17 grams of sugar, of which 16 are added, and 2 grams of protein. And the obnoxiously long list of ingredients, which includes xanthan gum and also guar gum. Yay, so you can, a lot. It also has vital wheat gluten, so if you're gluten intolerant or you have celiac disease, this is one of the many, many things you can't have without suffering. I think that's pretty much it, so let's give it a try. So it does look kind of interesting. I really miss having ganjarel, which is an Indonesian cake that was probably introduced to them by the Europeans. In fact, I would say definitely, actually. And it has a licorice flavor to it, anise or fennel, if you will. I really, really wish that I could find ganjarel, which is, ganjarel is, I believe it means railroad track. Because rail is rail. So I think that's what it means if I remember correctly. But yeah, it has the flavor of anise or fennel or anise. Not anus. Yeah, that's just... So yeah, it's let's give this a try before I... Oh, and it's a marble cake. I guess that's marble cake. Unless that's actually the cinnamon flavoring, but I think it's marble cake. So let's try. Moist. The texture is a little bit coarse somehow, although I'm not sure why it's coarse. Yeah. So I guess that, I'm not really sure here, but I think that what they did is they put some cinnamon in the frosting, which is why the frosting is kind of got a very, very light brown color. It's okay. It doesn't have enough cinnamon for me, but it's nice. I think a lot of people will enjoy it. But for me, I'll give it a 6.5. I can't say anything about the flavor because it doesn't say what the flavor is. I just know that there's cinnamon in this. Anyways, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.